2023 Subaru WRX-T horsepower, release date, specs. The Subaru WRX-T is surely an all-wheel generate sport lightweight sedan based on the Subaru Impreza. It split from the Impreza in 2014, and has continuing on consequently as an independent version. Besides some moderate beverages in between, the WRX acquired no considerable revise. The ST is definitely the functionality variant of your WRX. The year 2023 spots the entry in the second generation from the WRX sedan, by using a completely new body, exterior and interior design and an even more potent engine setup. The limited toned has always shown to be the more effective decide on out of your two. To get a small lump in price, we count on the car to have a great deal of better and advanced interior features, and needs to have much better security features also. 2023 Subaru WRX-T redesign. Exterior. The 2023 Subaru WRX-T is expected to get significant beverages to its exteriors, by using a athletic design style. The brand new Subaru WRX-T is dependent on Subaru's worldwide program. Based upon spy shots in the car below testing and the Subaru Visiv-ST concept showcased a couple of years back, it appears to get a far more angular appearance. The exam car appears to have a reduced slung user profile using a wide airflow ingestion upon the hood. The grille also is apparently a lot more described in its design. The rear fender features a crease that works into the rear doorways, and the tail lights have a sharp C-formed design with a quad exhaust setup. The all-new 2023 Subaru WRX-T is anticipated with a total length of 183 inches, a height of 57 in. And a size of 71 ins. The span and thickness may see a growth of 2.2 in. and 0.4 inches respectively. The Civic may be the least heavy car on the list of four. It also will be the shortest in terms of size. The 2023 Subaru WRX-T is located dearest to the ground, and provides the tightest wheelbase. The Camry TRD is definitely the lengthiest, in contrast to the Sonata offers the most wheelbase. The Toyota nevertheless, will lose speed due to its 3,575 pounds body weight, largest among the four. Interior. There has been no details about the interiors around the Subaru WRX-T, but we can count on them to be similar to the interiors observed around the Outback and other Subaru types. Apart from this, the ST is expected to obtain sport seating and sewn leather-based interiors with buttons placed on the steering wheel and a cockpit type of the dash structure. Changeable seats, a sunroof, a two-color interior can be predicted around the ST. Although the car has brought a whole improve, we know that this interior space will never take a hit and will nevertheless stay as comfortable and encouraging as it was on the current technology. The 2023 Subaru's interior room is respectable. The leading has many legroom, second finest in this comparing, behind the Sonata's 46.1 inch front legroom. Regarding back-end space, the Toyota may be the roomier car, with all the Subaru taking the third location. However, the freight potential on the 2023 WRX-T is subpar, at 12 CUFT. The infotainment system for the 2023 Subaru WRX-T will follow the Starlink program, and we count on the new car to get an 11.6 in. tablet fashion touchscreen exhibit from the middle, and a 12.3 inches computerized show in the dashboard. Other features about the system will incorporate Bluetooth, the navigation with Reside website traffic updates, HDMI and USB port, Sirius XM, and also the inclusion of the Apple Company CarPlay and Google Android Auto. 2023 Subaru WRX-T engine. The 2023 Subaru WRX-T is going to be run by an all-new FA24 turbocharged 2.4L boxer engine, with energy numbers estimated to be all around 400 Hewlett-Packard and a torque production of 361 horses, as being the pre-existing one makes 310 Hewlett-Packard and 290 lb-ft of torque. The transmission is expected to get the 6-speed manual transmission, with better shifts, but the exact same gearing. The all-tire generate formatting will continue as well. The WRX-T is definitely the most expensive car from the whole lot, requesting a premium of over $5,000 towards the rival vehicles. The overall performance from the car is predicted to further improve somewhat during the last season, by about 0.2 to 0.3 seconds within the -60 mph operate and the quarter distance. The current WRXT is certainly one hell of your handler, and we anticipate the 2023 design to outshine the present car with much better handling and steadiness. The car is anticipated to get designed with Brembo braking systems for enhanced braking efficiency and better manage. The new design and the added physique features will surely change the dealing with in a far better way. 2023 Subaru WRXT price and release date. The pricing is approximated around over $40,000 for the ST. The Subaru WRXT rises against the 2022 Honda Civic Type R, the 2022 Hyundai Sonata N-Range and the 2022 Toyota Camry TRD. The 2023 Subaru WRXT designs are anticipated to first appear early in the year of 2023.